What is the gravitational potential energy associated with a 75 kilogram tourist at the top floor of the Sears Tower in Chicago with respect to the street 436 meters below? First thing I notice is that it's asking me what is the gravitational potential energy, so I'm going to write my formula. Potential energy equals mgh. And now I'm going to plug in my formula with units. The mass of the person is 75 kilograms. Gravity is this is the acceleration due to gravity, which is we've learned in previous problems is 9.8 meters per second square, multiplied by the height, 436 meters above ground. All right, so now I'm going to enter this into my calculator. And there are no numbers in scientific notation. There will be no need to use parentheses in this case. 75 times 9.8 times 436 meters equals, and I get 32,000. Nope, sorry, I get 320,000. 460. And let's look at our units. Kilograms times meters per second squared times meters is kilogram meter square per second square, which is the same as a joule. So just like kinetic energy, these problems are going to have joules for units.